Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I'm bringing you the school dress. It is pink and white. I got this for my granddaughter's birthday. And take it out of the bag. And excuse me, because the bag is making a lot of noise. Oh, it's on this side. So how's everybody doing today on this wonderful Wednesday? I'm doing fine. It is really nice out. Oh, it has a ribbon to go, hair ribbon to go with it. Isn't that cute? But let's look at this. So it's pink, it's got a little gray in it, and it's got some white in it. Show like this. Can you see it? Let me get up here. Got gray around the sleeve. It's got gray in the lapel, the button down. Then it's got white in the waist and white on the bottom. So that's going to make a good gift for her, and it's a nice size. It is a 11-12, so it might be a little big on her. But I don't know, because she's getting so tall. And this is by Grandwish, Like the Future. Well, that's nice. I like that a lot. Again, this is the pink dress. Got this for my granddaughter for her birthday. She's coming over today, so she will get this. And I'm liking it. It's got a little pink bow to go with it. Oh, she's going to look so cute. I'll try to take a picture of her if she can try it on when she comes. And I'll add it on to this. So I thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.